first stepped through the door on day one, you felt like you were there for 5 years. It just felt like you were home walking through that front door on day one. You see the teamwork, you see that people are working together, trying to encourage each other, help each other out. It's definitely a culture, and the core values are not just something that's hanging on the wall in the office, it's something that's practiced every day. We are actually doing it, doing what we're saying, and living those values.
Even if you come in and you start from the bottom, you can actually work your way up to the top. So I think that that's one of the amazing things about this job. Everybody comes from different backgrounds, but in here, we all have the same goal. It's a fast-paced environment, so I just like the different dynamics of the day. Everybody's willing to collaborate, and we all just bounce ideas off of each other, and we just make it happen.
You're always welcome to challenge the process. You're welcome to challenge ideas and suggestions from senior leadership. And that's something that's encouraged, right? You always want to be able to feel comfortable to share yourself, to bring your whole self to work. And I feel this is a place where you can do that.
When I first started here, I didn't really know much of, what I really wanted to do. And, with time, I finally, started paving my own path here. I actually walk the floor sometimes and just see how much we've grown. I started here when there was very little machines. We had about 5-6 people at night. Now it's, we have about 15, 16 per shift. We're growing.
Atkore is an amazing company. We're growing, we're investing, and it's a perfect place for somebody that has high humility, but also high intensity that wants to work with a team. That's how we perform well, that's how we serve the customer better than anyone else, and that's why I think for somebody looking for a job or a company to come to, Atkore's the one.
The best part of my job is that I get to work with a team that I love. I get to learn new things. I get to train people, and I have a really good boss. He's taught me so much, and he's always trying to push me to learn more. And that's what I told him when I first started here, is I want to learn more so I can do more, so I can help out the facility even more than I am.
I want to thank you for all your help today. You did a very great job.
One thing I really enjoy about this company is work and life balance. I'm a father, and my main thing is spending time with my kids. We're here 10 to 12 hours a day. My work schedule's pretty steady, and yeah, I have overtime sometimes, but if there's a situation where I gotta leave a little bit early, they allow me to, because family's important.
How's it going?
I'm extremely proud of what I do, and I know I'm doing something important, not only for the business, but for the community, for the people. You are the most important value for this company, and we want you to be safe and healthy. Every single person in this plant is important, and we care. So career-wise, it's a really good place to start.
Every day we set a new goals, and we achieve the goal all the time. We have the people, we have the machine, we have no excuse. Just do it the best you can, and we demonstrate to everybody that we can do it. If we believe, we can do it. I believe that is my dream come true. I'm working in a great company with a great people, and I'm so proud to be part of this amazing team.
We're looking to not only bring an employee on, but we want you to grow with the company.
You're gonna start working here, and you're not gonna leave.
When you enjoy what you are doing, you even feel it.
If you want to work here, you got to be hardworking, you got to be dedicated, and you got to be willing to work with the team.
You're willing to learn, and you're willing to put in the work, that's all we need.
If you like fast-paced work and you like to not have the same day, the same every single day, then this job is definitely for you.
If you are honest, If you are hard work and you want to have a great place to develop a career, Atkore is the right place for you.